Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of herbs, and let me tell you, this is no ordinary garnish. We're talking about rosemary, a bloody brilliant herb that's been adding flavor and punch to dishes for centuries. But here's the kicker, that rosemary isn't just some culinary show pony. We're talking memory boost, antioxidants galore, and even a helping hand for your gut. Stick around, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know about rosemary, the good, the bad, and the absolutely delicious. Listen up, you lot. Rosemary isn't just some fancy sprig you throw on your lamb chops. Studies suggest that just a whiff of rosemary's aroma can sharpen your mind like a well-honed chef's knife. And the secret ingredient behind this mental magic trick, a little compound called 1,8-cineol. So next time you're up to your eyeballs in textbooks or facing a deadline, ditch the energy drinks and reach for some rosemary. Trust me, a little rosemary aromatherapy might be all you need to unlock your inner genius and conquer those mental challenges. Let's talk antioxidants, those microscopic superheroes fighting off damage in your body. And guess what? Rosemary is absolutely loaded with them. We're talking rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, a veritable arsenal of antioxidant powerhouses. These antioxidants fight off nasty, free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells. By incorporating rosemary into your diet, you're giving your body a fighting chance against these culinary criminals. It's like having a Michelin star defense team on your side 24/7. Inflammation. It's the culinary equivalent of a burnt pan, causing chaos and discomfort in your body. Just like a burnt pan can ruin a meal, inflammation can wreak havoc on your health, causing nothing but trouble and discomfort. But fear not, because rosemary is here to put out the fire, literally. This humble herb is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties. Packed with compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, rosemary can help soothe your body from the inside out. Whether you're battling arthritis, recovering from a tough workout, or dealing with chronic pain, or just feeling the effects of a long, exhausting day, rosemary can be your secret weapon. Incorporating it into your daily routine can make a significant difference. These anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling, ease pain, and improve overall well-being. Imagine getting back to feeling your best, free from the constraints of pain and discomfort. So ditch the over-the-counter pain relievers that come with side effects and reach for some rosemary instead. Brew it into a tea, add it to your meals, or use it as an essential oil. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel the difference in no time. Let's be honest, we've all been there. That uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal that's got you feeling like a stuffed sausage, unable to move or breathe comfortably. But before you swear off food altogether, let me introduce you to your new best friend, rosemary. Rosemary can help soothe your stomach, reduce bloating and gas, and even improve your overall gut health. This powerful herb has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's like a culinary plumber, unclogging your digestive system and getting things flowing smoothly again. No more discomfort or bloating. Add it to your soups, stews, or even just steep it in hot water for a soothing tea. This simple addition can make a big difference. Your gut will thank you for it, and you'll feel lighter and more comfortable. Listen up, you balding blokes and ladies struggling with limp, lifeless locks. If you're tired of trying every product under the sun with little to no results, it's time to turn to a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries. Forget those expensive hair growth serums and treatments, because rosemary oil is about to become your new secret weapon. This humble herb is not just for cooking, it's a powerhouse for your hair. Rosemary oil has been making waves in the beauty world for its ability to stimulate hair follicles, improve circulation to the scalp, and even help with conditions like alopecia. It's like giving your scalp a rejuvenating spa treatment. The secret lies in rosemary's potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help create the perfect environment for hair to thrive. These natural compounds work together to nourish your scalp and strengthen your hair from the roots. Massage a few drops of rosemary oil into your scalp or add it to your shampoo for an extra boost of hair-loving goodness. Consistency is key, so make it a part of your regular hair care routine. You'll be rocking a luscious mane in no time. Imagine the confidence boost you'll get from having thick, healthy hair that shines with vitality. Embrace the power of nature. Let rosemary oil be your go-to solution for hair growth and overall scalp health. Listen up, germaphobes and health nuts. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, look no further than rosemary. This herb is like a culinary fortress, fortifying your body's defenses and keeping those nasty bugs at bay. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, rosemary is a nutritional powerhouse that can give your immune system a much-needed boost. So make sure to stock up on this culinary warrior and add it to your diet regularly. Trust me, a little rosemary a day might just keep the doctor away. Hold your horses, rosemary enthusiasts. Before you go dousing yourself in rosemary oil or adding handfuls of the herb to every dish, there's a crucial caveat we need to address: allergic reactions. While generally safe for most people, some sensitive souls might experience skin irritation, redness, or even full-blown allergic reactions when they come into contact with rosemary essential oil or handle fresh rosemary. Do a patch test before slathering yourself in rosemary oil, and start with small amounts of the herb in your cooking to see how your body reacts. Better safe than sorry. Alright, listen up, because this is important. Even the most delicious ingredients, when consumed in excess, can turn from culinary delights into digestive disasters. Overconsumption of rosemary can lead to a whole host of unpleasant side effects, from stomach upset and vomiting to more serious complications like seizures in extreme cases. So remember, moderation is key. Enjoy the flavor and benefits of rosemary, but don't go overboard. Stick to reasonable amounts and your stomach will thank you for it. Attention all you expectant mothers. Before you reach for that rosemary-infused olive oil or start whipping up a batch of rosemary shortbread cookies, there's a crucial piece of information you need to be aware of. While rosemary is generally considered safe in moderate amounts, pregnant women are advised to exercise caution and avoid high doses of this herb. Rosemary has been known to stimulate uterine contractions, which could potentially lead to complications during pregnancy. Consult with your healthcare provider before adding large amounts of rosemary to your diet. All right, folks, let's talk about something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: medication interactions. Even the most natural ingredients, like our friend rosemary, can interact with certain medications and cause unexpected side effects. If you're taking blood thinners, diuretics, or medications for high blood pressure, you need to be extra careful when adding rosemary to your diet. Have a chat with your doctor or pharmacist to see if rosemary is safe for you to consume based on your individual medication regimen. Don't let your love for rosemary land you in a culinary pickle. And that's a wrap on rosemary. Whether you're using it to enhance your meals, boost your health, or even grow longer hair, this herb is a true powerhouse. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried rosemary for its health benefits? Let us know.